everyone, welcome to my science experiment. To do this science experiment, you're going to need a few objects. So first you need a glass, and then you're going to need some oil. This is just vegetable oil, and some water. Just from the fridge is fine, or the tap. And then you're going to grab a few food coloring dyes. So here I have a green one, a red one, a yellow one, and a blue one. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pour the oil into the glass, like this. Perfect. And then I'm going to pour the water into the glass. And now I'm using a half a cup of water and a half a cup of oil here, so it's an equal mix. Awesome. So what you see happening here is you can see how it's clear at the bottom. That's the water that's sunk to the bottom, and the oil is at the top. That's the yellow part. And the reason why this happens is because oil is hydrophobic. So it actually doesn't like water. It doesn't mix with the water like other things. It actually wants to separate from the water. So we have two kind of layers right here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to grab our food dye and we're going to put one drop in. And we're going to make it a little bit of a race. So I want you guys to choose which color you'd like. So you guys can vote for the green dye, the red dye, the yellow dye, the blue dye, whichever one you want. We're going to see which one gets through the oil layer first and enters the water. So in the oil, it's going to stay nice and intact, and then in the water, it's going to actually explode. So we're going to see who wins by which drop enters the water first. So I'm going to start with my blue one, and do a drop there. See how it's sinking in the oil layer? The yellow one is going to sink as well. The red one. And the green one. Now, as you can see here, they're still in that oil layer, so that's why they're still intact. Once they enter the water, they're going to explode. And that's what food dye usually looks like. When we put it in, it kind of explodes into the liquid there. So let's watch. We're going to see which one breaks through the oil layer first and gets into the water layer. Oh, it looks like we have a winner. So if you chose the blue dye, you win.